Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are doing a box dye from Dark and Lovely Fade Resist Edition in the color 376. So we're gonna go ahead and open it. Now, I've never done a voiceover, so we are learning, but okay, here's a conditioner. Oh, look at me, I'm so smart. I put words on the screen. Okay, good. So the conditioner is for after we wash it out. What am I gonna pull out the box next? Okay, developer. Great. Yo, I didn't even know that I put words on the screen, but here I am looking at words on the screen. And then the dye itself, again, in the color 376, I think it was called like Red Hot, whatever. So we about to do some science. I'm gonna go ahead and, am I looking for gloves? Maybe I'm looking for gloves. But, oh, I'm trying to read instructions. We don't know, but I actually do read instructions. Can we read? Okay, good. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I'm figuring out that I'm going to go ahead and mix the dye with the developer. Okay, take the gloves, put the gloves on first. That's fine. But make sure that when you are mixing the dye with the developer that you mix it very well. Like when containers say shake well, I don't think people actually shake well. So please shake well. I think it got really hot when I was shaking it, and that's how I knew something was cooking. So we're just going to watch me mix. And yeah. Alrighty, so right now we have the finished product. We use the Dark and Lovely Fade Resistant in the color Red Hot 376. I'm trying to like sit in the light so you guys can actually see it, because I'll attach some pictures. But it is red. My African mother popped up in my room and she was like, "Hey, Jennifer, you look akata." And then in my head I'm like, but I am, you know? But we're not gonna get into that African versus black thing at all. African parents in their time. But yeah, I really love the color. I used Gorilla Snot. So after I have a leave-in mask from a company that I'll tag below here, but I did the leave-in mask and then I put Gorilla Snot, like squeeze a lot of Gorilla Snot, and I put that in my hand and I rubbed it through my hair almost like a slick down, and then I took the curl activating sponge that everybody has seen 1,000 times. It's in the drawer behind me, but I don't want y'all to seeing whatever, bruh. So, and I did that, went in a circular motion, and then I let it dry. I really wish you guys could see the color a little bit more. It's really red. I think you can see it now that I'm this close. Yeah, the baby hairs, obviously I couldn't put the makeup that far in, but look at those curls, honey. I'm happy. So I did that. And today we are also featuring the Allure London Pro Magnetic Eyeliner and Lash System. So these are magnetic bad boys. Don't they look good? I really think they do. Do I love them? No, only because you have to put on 3 coats of the eyeliner, and then once you do it, as soon as you put on the last coat, you have to stick the lash on. If you let it dry, she's not gonna stick. So like this side, oh, I poke myself. This side, she barely holding on tight, right? But you can pull it right off, but once you pull it off, you know how like in some of those ads on Instagram and Facebook, she pulls it off and then she sticks it back and it sticks. You pull it off, it's a done deal. So you either going outside with the glue, which is in my drawer, or you just wear regular glued lashes. But I like these because I'm not pulling out my own eyelashes when I'm taking them off. Nothing, I just wash my face. Take it off, stick it back, and wash my face. But yes, I used 1 box of this. It said sit for 30 minutes. I think I sat for 35 with natural hair, but my mom doesn't like it. I am obsessed. I'm obsessed with this look. So I'm gonna go ahead and tag down the products that I use to make this look. It's a quick quarantine dye. I'm loving it. I might do another color. I think I really just wanted to dye my hair because I wanted to change the porosity of my hair. And so hopefully it becomes a higher porosity so that it will take some moisture and nutrients from different oils that I like to use. But yeah, I'm done. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe. I'm gonna stop promising to do more videos. They'll just come as they come. But yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.